Okay, so this is Charlie, and we are going to continue on with our model. If I turn it back into 3D and take a look at it, I can see my section box here, and obviously I've got some things that need to be taken care of. The first thing I'm going to do is copy these walls up to the second floor. And so let me hover over one and do a right click, and on that flyout menu, I'm going to select the option there for select all instances in entire project. And so I know that architecturally, this is the only wall that I've used on the inside. So if I go ahead and hit the copy to clipboard option, which is up here on the modify walls ribbon, hit copy to clipboard, and then the paste drop down there, if I hit paste aligned to selected levels, and then I click on level 2, that's where I want them to go, and I click OK, then it will regenerate, and there it's got my walls on level 2. Let me go to the level 1 plan, and what I want is for these walls that are on this floor that make up the hallway, I want to bring those up to the bottom side of my floor deck that's above me so that I can enclose that area and it becomes like a fire separation containment kind of thing. And so I suppose what I should do is go and see how thick that floor is that's above me. So I'm going to cut a little section through the building. So I grab my section tool from the shortcuts menu and draw a section across there, double click on the section head to open it, and look in here, measure that floor thickness there to there, and it's a total of 5 inches. So what I'm going to do, I want these walls that are on the first floor to come up within 5 inches of level 2. So I'm going to go back to level 1 and hover over one of those floors, or I'm sorry, hover over one of those walls, do a right click, select all instances. This time I'm going to do visible in view because that's probably not the same answer that I have for upstairs. So I've got all of those. Now what I'm going to do is unselect that one and that one and that one and that one because those are stairwell walls. We don't want those to go all the way up. So my top constraint wants to be level 2 and a top offset of -5 inches. Click apply. So now when I go and open that section, now those walls are coming up to the bottom side of my floor deck. That's exactly what I want. So life is good. Let's go back and check that 3D. And so there we go. Now let me pull this end. Yeah, I didn't want to do that. Let's pull this end. Give me that. There we go. Okay. So there's what's going on. These are the walls that I did not bring up to the bottom side of that floor deck because in my mind I was going to build those continuous so that this wall would go all the way up. So what I'm going to do, let's see, how do I want to do that? Probably making it too complicated. Let me hit pause here and I'll think for a minute. Okay, so I've given it some thought, and I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and extend these walls on up. So I'm going to select these two and go ahead and make those top constraint level 2, offset of -5 inches, hit apply, and then we'll do a shaft opening that takes care of the floor in there, and we'll just do it that way. So what I probably want to do is swing down to the other end here and do a similar exercise. Let's see if we can't lighten up the view. There we go. So click on that, slide that guy back a little bit. Okay, so that wall and that wall up to level 2, offset -5 inches, click apply. There you go. So let's go ahead and place some shaft openings. I'm going to go to level 2 and place those. And I'm going to do one here, and then I think I can just mirror it down to the other end. And so on my home tab, opening by shaft, and now it wants me to sketch this guy, and we will take a crack at there to there. And let's see, my base constraint, I'm going to make that level 1, my top constraint level 2, my top offset is a foot just to make sure we're okay, and my base offset is also going to be a foot just to make sure we don't cut through the first floor slab. Click apply and then click done, and then let's go back to 3D and see how we did. Obviously we did the one at the other end. There we go. So there we go. Now we've got a shaft opening. We've got the floor left for our landing. That's probably about the simplest way to do that. Let me grab that shaft opening. There it is. And go back to level 1. And I'm going to mirror that thing about the axis that I've already got. So mirror about that center line axis. And now let's go check it in 3D, make sure we got it at the other end. So there's my first one. If I spin this guy around, the second one also has the same thing. So life is good. So I've got a shaft opening at both ends. So we're okay. So I'm going to turn off the section box here. There we go. Okay. So let's take a break there.